Introducing the ProScope T1. Designed specifically for trichology and dermatology applications, its ease of use is perfect for skin, hair, and scalp consultations. Here's a brief operation overview. After selecting the microscope from your device's Wi-Fi settings, launch the included MicroFind app. Press the lens of the microscope against your skin and the image will come into focus. Press the capture button to freeze the image. Press it again to store the image and to go back to a live preview. If you want to compare up to 4 images simultaneously, press the multifunction button to enable quad view mode. Press the capture button to cycle through and capture up to 4 images for direct comparison. Press the multifunction button again to go back to single view mode. Within the app is the ability to delete and export images to your device's photo library. You can also compare 2 images side by side. Tap the edit button, select 2 images you'd like to compare, and then cycle through all the images available in your photo library. When you're done, just hit the back button and you're back to live view mode. To change out a lens, simply rotate the lens clockwise and remove it. Place the new lens back in the same position and rotate it counterclockwise to lock it into place. Press the end of the lens cone to your skin to focus and press the capture button to initiate image capture.